Hello, welcome to a new campagin tutorial. I'm Alicia, and today we're going to learn how to send a WhatsApp campaign with a campagin. Before we start, remember to follow our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any tutorials. Next, you'll learn how to manage your lists and templates, how to send your campaigns, and finally, how to check the reports of your sends. To send WhatsApp campaigns, you need to connect your WhatsApp account with a campagin. We've left a link in the description to a tutorial explaining how to do that. First, let's see how to create a subscriber list in a campagin. Go to the WhatsApp section and click on the Lists option. To create a list, click on New List, enter a name to identify it, and click Create. Then, click Accept to add subscribers to your list and select an import method, either from a CSV or Excel file or manually. Once the list is selected, click on Subscribers to add, modify, or delete subscribers. To edit a subscriber's details, click on the phone number or select Details Edit. Next, let's see how to create a template from scratch and how to import it from Meta. First, go to the WhatsApp section and click on the Templates option. To create a new template, click on the New Template button, enter a name to identify it, choose the language, and click Create. Note that the template name can only contain lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Next, enter the message body text. Optionally, you can include a header, a footer, and up to 10 buttons. There are two types of buttons you can use: quick response buttons, such as unsubscribe, and call to action buttons, like URL, phone, or offer code. In the header and text sections, you can add parameters by clicking the Add Variable button. If you want to learn how to use parameters, we've left a link to the support article in the description. Once your template is created, click Next to send it for review and wait for Meta's approval. We'll notify you when its status is updated. To import WhatsApp business templates into a campagin, click the Synchronize Templates with Meta button and, in the pop-up window, click Import. This function will also help you update the status of templates pending Meta's approval. Now, let's create our first WhatsApp campaign with a campagin. Go to Campaigns and click the New Campaign button. Enter a name to identify it and click Create. In Step 1, select one of your lists and click Next. In Step 2, select a template and click Use Template. Remember that only templates approved by Meta will be visible in this section. In Step 3, a notice will appear showing the number of conversations that will be opened based on the number of subscribers. Remember that Meta charges for each open conversation. We've included a link in the description with more information about pricing. Once done, select a send date for your campaign, review its content, and finally click the Send Campaign button. Next, a pop-up window will appear with a summary of your campaign. If everything looks correct, click Send Campaign, and you're all set. Let's move on to the last part of this tutorial, checking the reports. From the WhatsApp section, go to Campaigns and click on the link of your sent campaign. To view send information, click on the Receivers option in the top menu to check the status of messages sent per subscriber. From this option, you can generate and download data in a CSV file. Click the Quick Response Buttons option in the top menu to see the number of times each button in the message has been clicked. Lastly, click on the Details option to see which subscribers clicked that button. And that's all you need to know to send your first WhatsApp campaign with a campagin. If you need more information, you can check the links we've left in the description. And if you still have questions, you can leave us a comment on this video or contact our support team. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like it and follow our channel so you don't miss our next tutorials. See you soon!